We'll win. Come on, we gotta go eat. We'll take you outside today, okay? Okay, bud? Come on. Come on, bud. And you need a car wash. Bad. Whoa, look at that hair. Girl. Girl. I'm talking about me. Ew. There we go. Oh, my eyebrows are so ugly today. Take this out. Put this in. Oh shit, that's not good. Okay. I think I should have had Quinn. I should have let Quinn take a picture of me real quick. Cause I look nice. Scruffy right there. Look at Dee. Aww. He's so shy. That's good. He got his little activity. Cause do kids still go outside for recess his age?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They have to.
Is that like a part of the
Yeah. That's part of that Obama fit initiative thing.
Oh, fit, okay. Cause I remember we used to go outside.
That's a part of your teacher's curriculum.
That's crazy how we didn't, when we got older, we didn't go outside and stay active or even, oh, cause then they changed it to gym class.
Yeah, you know. But you don't have it off, you know, you only can take it 1 year.
Right. So
But
that's
I had
weird.
to take it 2 years because I ain't had no classes.
Did I take gym class? I took gym class in 9th grade. I think I failed gym. I think I had a D in gym.
Yeah, you never dressed.
Yeah. Cause I'm like, who wanna get dressed for gym and then
Be funky the rest of the day.
yeah.
I had mine this last hour of the day.
See, that's smart. That is really smart. Anyway, today is the day, well, day 3 of vlogging since we've been in Texas. Maybe day 4. But we're going to look at apartments, find some cool ones. Let me get off this camera before it dies, because I didn't bring my extra battery. But say hi. Trying to get some action. I know Niece gonna want to see.
Wow.
Is that 85 added or?
Had to stop and tie my shoe, y'all. Yes.
It's not for you to touch.
How big are the closets? Let's see, big old set. Oh, okay. It's nice size. You said what? What was here? A linen closet. Washer and dryer. Full size. Thank you.
This must be small.
Jeez. Lord. I want to.
Set up pretty dope.
Man. Is this 2-bedroom or one bath? I mean, one
This
bath?
is one. Alright, one. Yeah,
This
it's
must
one.
be the master. Yeah, of
It's
course.
the master.
Oh, I like how it's set up.
It's dope, man.
Yeah. Oh, they probably just took that door off because of.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it was a door.
Oh, yeah. I like this. And these ones is. Yeah, this is a nice size closet too. Okay. Cool. What? That's what's in here. Another linen closet here. I like how it's like open right there, you know?
I like the wood.
Yeah, so the second floor, yeah. Jesus.
Washer and dryer are included in every unit.
Hi, bud. Hi. Here's the linen. Oh, yeah.
They do look just like it. Almost.
Yeah, with the nice mirror.
It's got the same cabinet.
Oh, yeah. We just have more.
Yeah, we had two. It's set up like
House. Yeah.
The master's over here.
Oh, master's over here. Oh. Oh, can I get this? Oh. Whoa. See where I be spending most of my time at? Right in the bathtub.
You in the bathtub, Giggle?
I know, right? It's huge.
The water also underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Now, does that one have a garden tub?
This one.
Yes.
Okay, so the garden tubs are only in select units on the 3rd floor.
That just makes
We're out again. Currently at Mickey D's. Say hi. Tell them where we at.
We at McDonald's.
What you get it from McDonald's?
We get a toy, a pizza, a fry, some chicken nuggets, and some shrimp, and some banana, orange too.
Good morning.
Good job. Alright, guys.
You want my meal or that my meal?
Oh, can I get this?
I mean, is she looking for May as well, or?
She looking for a 3-bedroom.
Oh, 3-bedroom.
Oh, yeah. That's, oh, that's the nice ceilings.
What?
You gonna be good? Be good so you can get your juice, okay?
I'm good.
Okay? Oh.
So you can use it like for a bookshelf, or you can use it. This one lady told her, she goes, "Oh no, that's my vanity." But it has the light under here.
Nice size closets.
They have a couple of screens so you can get the right shampooed and the light bulbs put in.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not
Because it has a light, but the bulb is out.
Oh,
You can.
cool.
I don't want you spilling on the carpet.
Right. These are nice. Thank you.
Do I have to?
Mhm.
I'm not. I said wait.